While I set up my tent, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a background information as to what I'm doing. So, earlier on the same day, which is Friday, I drove down to the western side of the Teton Range, which is not the side you're going to see postcards from, but it's still pretty impressive as you'll see later in the video. So, the goal is to summit Table Mountain, standing at 11,106 feet, and I'll be taking the brutally steep face trail. But beyond this little intro, I'll let the video do most of the talking.
Oh, show. All right. We're here at we're here in Teton Canyon. Specifically in Teton Canyon Campground. And right outside of camp, got this nice little stream here. And, you know, we're in the forest now, but, oh, big terrain up there, boys. All right, we got some dinner going here. Check this out. Guess the temperature of that stuff. Cold. Anyways, no seasoning, no temperature. Kind of how we roll, man. It's kind of how we roll. You see, this is... Now I'm at the stage, I'm at the part of camping that, you know, they don't show you in the videos. So, you know, here we are. Nice scenery around, nice trees, nice forest. Even the creek back there. But just finished my unflavorful dinner, and because I didn't come with any friends, now I just kind of have to sit around until the sun goes down, because I didn't bring anything to do either. So we got a good view of the feet right now with my new tent upgrade. Check this. Can reach straight out into the dirt. That way my feet can actually spread out, because I'm too tall for this tent actually. But anyways, we're about to hit the hay for the night. Check in the morning. Yo, we're in the parking lot. Vehicle right there. Eating this banger breakfast. Peanut butter. I stupidly realized I forgot to bring a frying pan, so my stove did not get lighted. No frying pan, not gonna cook, so just getting some calories, some protein before we hit the trail. Check out these morning scenery. Oh yeah. What's this sign right here? Trail not maintained, very steep, not recommended. Dude, that's sick. Not even scared of me. That's crazy. Gotta record right now. Take a break. So brutal, this climb. So brutal. Probably the hardest grade slope I've ever done. I mean, this is flippin' steep. Close to where I was yesterday. Did a little scouting yesterday. The views are unfolding. So nice. In this fantastic, wonderful aspen grove as we make our way up. A little bit of a break from the steepness, which is nice. But still have my bear spray unholstered. This is the kind of hike at least I feel better having it out. Flipping, finally starting to break out into the alpine here. Getting fewer trees, more snow patches. So we're making progress. Probably still have a couple thousand to go and gain, but the steepest is done for now. But here we are, up in the subalpine zone, I guess is what you would call this. We're making our way up. We are in the alpine. Check it. Snowfields. Way down into the valley, and absolutely stunning views of the eastern part of the Teton range. So far, snow conditions are pretty good. Still pretty firm from yesterday. Ooh. Last night's freezing temps. So, yeah, pretty sweet. Absolutely stunning views. There's our objective. Still have a long ways to go. Holy slog. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the GoPro in the wide lens, but a few little tiny people just summited. And oh my goodness, what are these views? It was mind-boggling. Holy smokes. Just got off the snowfield. That was flipping brutal. These guys here are absolutely flying. But holy smokes, beautiful up here. Oh my goodness. It don't get much better than that. Hello, buddy. Little yellow-bellied marmot. Coming to check out my food, probably. What a cool little creature. Anyways. Holy smokes, it is insane out here. Just look at this. It's just insane. Wow. Figured I'd just throw in a couple of extra photos in here, maybe give you a little bit better view of the landscape. But otherwise, I just sat up there, ate some food, basked in the views, and headed down. Alright, on our way down to the summit now. And would have liked to stay longer, but kind of got to get back. And notice how the snow is already been a little slushy. You do not want to, I don't really want to would be on the snow field at 2 p.m. Foot sink in sink a foot into the snow every time I take a step. So yeah. Well, we're off the snow for the most part, so that's kind of nice, but we are far from done. Here we go again, re-entering Bear Mall Woods, dude. The snow may have been a slog, but at least you can see far and you don't have to worry too much about bears all the time. No, I didn't see any bear sign on the way up, but still gotta be on high alert. So making our way down, we're done with half the mileage down, but we have probably a little over half the elevation still. This first bit is just brutally steep, but we're making it down. Back in the Aspens. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh, dude, your boy's tired, but thing is, because I'm taking the face trail back down, it's the kind of steepness where you can't actually go very fast. Otherwise you're gonna start flying down the hill out of control and then bite the dirt. So you actually have to go super slow to not die, or at least I do. I'm sure there's some people who are mountain goats who can do this at running speed, but not me.
Well, as I let these summit views play again, I just wanted to say to whatever friends and family might be watching, hope you enjoyed this little kind of simple video I made here. I know I sure enjoyed making it and getting to actually be there. But I hope that this gives you some idea of some of the cool stuff that I'm getting to do, and maybe hope that you're enjoying the scenery through the video as well. But otherwise, that'll be it for this short video, and I'll see you in the next one.